He bought a 16 Pro with small memory. Let's see how much money he could save by upgrading it to a larger memory version. A fan recently bought a 16 Pro and chose to upgrade the storage to 512 gigabytes. What made him decide to forego the official warranty? Why did he directly choose to upgrade to 512 gigabytes? When you see the price difference between different memory versions of the new Apple phone, you'll probably understand the fan's decision. The official price of the 128GB 16 Pro is $5,499. However, the 512GB version costs $8,999, a difference of $3,500. But the only difference is the hard drive. Let's open the back cover. Then, we remove the earpiece and Face ID components. And these 3 cameras. Now, the motherboard can be removed. Upgrading the phone storage is easy. Just replace this small memory hard drive. Tear off the buffer foam. Let's start the upgrade. First, clean the adhesive around the hard drive. He then uses a hot air gun. Slowly pry off the hard drive. After removing the hard drive, the bottom of the motherboard needs thorough cleaning and degumming. This is how it looks after cleaning. This is what it looks like after cleaning. Phone storage upgrade isn't complicated. It's simply removing the small memory and installing a larger one. Some might worry about the phone not being able to handle the increased storage. But the phone comes with different memory options from the factory. The upgrade is just a memory replacement. So there's no reason to worry about performance issues. Before reassembling the screen, clean any residual waterproof adhesive around the phone. This ensures better restoration of airtightness. How's it looking? Reassemble the removed parts. Tighten all the screws. He puts the back cover back on and tightens the retaining plate screws, then close the back cover. How about the screws at the bottom? Finally, let's restore the phone system. The 128GB 16 Pro is now a 512GB version. All done.